Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Pronunciation Power on the Mrs. Nice English channel. I'm your host, Nice, and today we're going to dive deep into mastering English sounds. Before we start, don't forget to like and share this podcast to help our channel grow. The more you share, the more resources we can create to help everyone improve their English.
Hi there, Nice. Thanks for having me on your show again. I'm Richard, and I must admit, I've been struggling with my English pronunciation lately. My colleagues at work sometimes don't understand what I'm saying, especially when I'm excited or speaking quickly.
That's exactly why today's topic is perfect for you, Richard. We're exploring vowel sounds, consonant sounds, stress patterns, and intonation, the 4 pillars of excellent pronunciation. By the end of our session, you'll have some powerful techniques to practice and improve.
That sounds great. Where should we start?
Let's begin with vowel sounds, since they're the heart of English pronunciation. English has about 20 vowel sounds, both short vowels and long vowels, plus diphthongs, which are 2 vowel sounds combined. For example, say sheep and ship for me.
Sheep and ship.
Good try. Did you notice how your mouth position changed? For sheep, E, your lips are more spread and the sound is longer. For ship, I, it's shorter and more relaxed. Many English learners struggle with these similar but different sounds.
Oh, I never realized there was such a specific difference. I've been saying them almost the same way.
That's common. Let's try another pair. Cat and cut.
Cat, cut.
Much better. For cat, your mouth is more open and your tongue is flat. For cut, your mouth is slightly less open and the sound comes from deeper in your throat. Practicing these minimal pairs is extremely effective.
This is fascinating. What about consonants? I always struggle with TH sounds.
Ah, the infamous TH sounds. English has 2 of them, the voiceless, as in think, and the voiced, as in this. For both, you need to place your tongue between your teeth. Let me show you.
Think, this.
You're getting closer. For think, don't vibrate your vocal cords. For this, add voice. Try putting your hand on your throat to feel the difference.
Think, this. Oh, I can feel the vibration for this.
Excellent. Now let's move to something equally important, stress patterns. English is a stress-timed language, which means some syllables are emphasized more than others. This is crucial because putting stress on the wrong syllable can completely change the meaning of a word or make it incomprehensible.
Could you give me an example?
Sure. Take the word present. When we stress the first syllable, present, it's a noun meaning a gift. When we stress the second syllable, present, it's a verb meaning to show or introduce. Let's try another. Content, the stuff inside something, versus content, feeling satisfied.
Wow, I had no idea stress could change meaning like that. How do I know which syllable to stress?
There are patterns, but English stress can be tricky. Generally, 2-syllable nouns often stress the first syllable, while verbs often stress the second. Words ending in tion, sion, ic, or ity typically have stress just before those endings. But before we go deeper into that, let's have a quick quiz to test what we've learned so far.
A quiz. I love challenges. Let's do it.
All right, here are 3 questions. First, which pair shows the correct difference between long vowels and short vowels? A, bit, beat, B, cat, cut, C, foot, food, or D, both A and C?
I think bit has a short vowel and beat has a long one. Same with foot and food. So I'll go with D, both A and C.
Question 2. When saying the word photograph, which syllable gets the main stress? A, pho, B, toe, or C, graph?
I think it's A, faux.
Last question. Which sentence shows rising intonation? A, where did you go? B, what a beautiful day. C, are you coming? Or D, stop right there.
That would be C, are you coming? Because it's a yes-no question.
Great job with the quiz. We'll reveal the answers shortly. Now, let's talk about our final pillar, intonation. Intonation is the melody of English speech, the rise and fall of your voice. It communicates meaning beyond just the words themselves.
How so?
Well, rising intonation often indicates a yes-no question or uncertainty. Falling intonation typically shows statements or commands. Listen to the difference. You're going home, rising, questioning, versus you're going home, falling, stating a fact.
You're going home? You're going home.
Perfect, you got it. Intonation also expresses emotions and attitudes. Compare, that's interesting, neutral, falling, with that's incredible, rising, falling.
I never realized how much meaning could be packed into just how you say something.
Absolutely. Now let's get back to our quiz answers. For question 1, you were right. The answer is D, both A and C. Bit, beat, and foot, food demonstrate short versus long vowel pairs.
Yes.
For question 2, about photograph, the correct answer is A, faux. The first syllable gets the stress. However, interestingly, in the word photography, the stress shifts to the second syllable, photography.
And in photographic, it moves again, photographic. That's incredible. The same root word, but different stress depending on the ending?
Exactly. And for question 3, you were correct again. Are you coming uses rising intonation as it's a yes-no question.
2 out of 3 isn't bad.
That's excellent, Richard. To wrap up today's episode, remember that mastering English pronunciation involves working on all 4 elements: vowel sounds, consonant sounds, stress patterns, and intonation. Practice listening carefully to native speakers and mimic not just what they say, but how they say it.
Thank you so much, Nice. I've learned so much today. These techniques will definitely help me improve my pronunciation.
I'm glad to help. And remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Try speaking aloud, record yourself, listen back, and compare with native speakers. Don't be afraid to exaggerate at first. It helps train your mouth to make new movements.
And don't forget to like and share this podcast if you found it helpful.
Absolutely. You can find Pronunciation Power on the Mrs. Nice English channel, and we're also available on Spotify. Next week, we'll be diving into connected speech and linking words. Until then, keep practicing, and remember, clear pronunciation leads to confident communication.
See you next time, everyone.